Hey guys, Abner Miranda here. I've got a very simple drill set up here behind me using some PT hostage swinger targets from Action Target. These are AR-500, these are AR-550 through hardened Burnell steel. And what I like about these is you can get extremely close with high-powered, full-powered high-velocity ammunition, including rifle, and you really won't hurt the target. I also like them because of their mass. They tend to suck up a lot of rounds, and I like reactive steel. I like the kind of steel that falls over because it allows me to track the target to the ground, which is what we're always being told, you know, shoot them to the ground. But sometimes you just want a target that stays on its feet but still gives you a reaction, and these swing back and forth. The drill that I have set up is there's going to be a shot in front of me, and then I transition to a shot beside me. The why behind it is purely to have a target that is completely out of my field of view off to my side. And since this is the safe side of the range where I can shoot, it's sitting over here. Let's have a look. When I'm doing this drill, this may take several iterations. I don't want to give up a good grip on the pistol. So I'll do this several times to make sure that I'm getting a good solid draw on my handgun before I start shooting. Do it again, or I can even set up and do it this way. If you have the ability to do a drill like this, this is so much better than just static shooting of a target right in front of you. And you'll notice that I'm not moving. Sometimes I will turn. Sometimes it'll be straight and then a rotate, because you never know when all you're going to have is just a rotation. Very simple drill, something for you guys to consider. As always, I thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one.